welcome back to my channel. This is Annika Castillo. Today I'll be showing how I did this, which is my version of an DIY / abstract inspired canvas. These canvases can range anywhere from $500 to $1,500 if you were to buy them from the store. They are so expensive. Granted, mine isn't to the same caliber / quality, the ones that they sell in the stores. I really enjoyed how this came out. It was very therapeutic to do, and I love that it's all mine and it's super unique, and I saved a fortune on doing this. So if you want to learn how I did this, then go ahead and keep watching. So I use this huge 36 by 48 canvas. I got it from Hobby Lobby for half off. I got it for only $35 using a coupon. I use these paint brushes and I use several different colors of paint. Here's an example of one of them. I used this metal adhesive. You could also find this at Hobby Lobby, and some silver leafing. Okay, to recap, for the canvas I paid $35. The paint brushes I paid $4. I bought 6 different paints in blues and silver colors, and that was about $10. I got gold leaf adhesive for $6 and silver leafing for $8 for a grand total of $63, saving me about $437. Also, use coupons. Use coupons. The very first step is to paint your whole canvas one color. I'm also listening to a podcast. I use A Kick-Ass Life. The first thing I'm going to do is going to go in with my darkest color. This is the navy, and I'm just going to make strokes however I want around the canvas. Really, there is no rhyme or reason to what I'm doing. It's just kind of like what I feel like it looks cool, and I also kind of looked at some ideas online, and I'm just making brush strokes in a certain pattern to whatever I want. Here's what the canvas looks like after I've gone over my first layer and gone in with the darkest color. Next thing you're going to do is your next darkest color. I'm using this vibrant blue. I'm just going to kind of trace the pattern. It's basically just a whole bunch of filling in the holes. That's how you're going to make this canvas look cohesive, I guess, and kind of blend things. As you can see, I'm just getting lighter with my colors. Every time I go in, I'm going in with a different lighter color and going in wherever I want, and just kind of sort of tracing, not necessarily doing it 100%, but just kind of eyeing it. This is how it keeps looking and progressing. I'm already getting into kind of the silvers and the grays tones. I already got to a light blue versus the royal blue. And I'm just gonna keep going. As you can see, I've already used those 4 different paint colors. This is how it looks when it is almost all done. Then I'm just gonna go in and just fill in the random gaps wherever I feel like it's missing. That's really all you have to do. It's so easy because this is so personalizable, and it's just kind of do as you please and make as cohesive as you can. The next thing is I'm going to go with my foil. So to do foil leafing, all you're going to do is apply some adhesive. Once you've applied that adhesive, you are going to take a sheet of your silver leafing or gold leafing, whatever you're going to use, kind of lightly smudge it on, wait about 2 hours, and then just go over with a brush and brush the rest off. And then it'll look like this. It is kind of hard to clean up, just so you know. You're going to just have to like dust it or take it outside, and so then it'll be all clean. Then the last step is to paint the edges, and that is going to make it look more like a finished canvas, and this is how mine came out. So the really great thing about this is you could do this with any colors, you could do this with any kind of mediums, you could do this any size that you would like and create it all on your own. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment, rate, and please subscribe. I love new subscribers, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.